This is one of my favorite breakfast items. This breakfast is a well-balanced breakfast. You're gonna have carbs, you're gonna have healthy fats, and you're also gonna have some protein in there as well. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Brendan Gabaldon. I'm a head chef, and I'm also an online personal trainer. Now, if you guys find this video useful, all that I ask is that you guys subscribe and share it with your friends. They might wanna know this information as well. Now, the things that you're gonna need to make this breakfast are some Parmesan cheese, some turkey breast slices, an avocado, some eggs, and some bread. I personally like using sourdough, but you can use whatever you want. Whole wheat, white, high protein bread, whatever you want. Here's how you want to start this off. Get your bread and toast it. Since mine's a whole loaf, I'm gonna have to slice it. While your bread's toasting, cut open your avocado. Go ahead and get that seed out. Cut your avocado into slices. All right, bread's nice and toasted. Get rid of the knives. Now what you're gonna wanna do is get your turkey breast and just lay it on top of the bread. I normally do 3 slices on each bread, but you can do as much or as little as you want. Now get your avocado slices and lay them on top of the turkey. Now you normally want to do slices and lay them down evenly because when you start biting into it, the avocados are going to slide out if they're not laid down properly. So slice them up and lay them down flat. Alright, now that we got this ready to go, time to make the eggs. Put it on low to medium heat, get some butter, and then just start spreading it on the pan. You can use olive oil, just make sure it doesn't stick to the pan because it's going to be very hard to get it off. Get your eggs and then just crack them into the pan. Personally, I like my eggs over easy, but if you want them scrambled, then scramble your eggs. Nutritional value is all the same. Now we're just going to take this and put it on our bread. For extra protein and flavor, get your Parmesan cheese and just start shredding it on top of the toast. And there you have it. Some avocado toast with turkey breast, an over easy egg, and some Parmesan on top. Now, just enjoy. Oh, that yolk. If you found this video useful, give me a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. But in all reality, I am just a nobody from nowhere, so really, what do I know? Peace.
Yeah.